Running to the bag, running to the bag, running to the I can never slay. And I get the cash, yeah, I get the cash.
What's up, bougie? I mean, not bougie, babe. What's up, Glow Queens? It's your girl Tatiana. What's up, Glow Queens? It's your girl Tatiana, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm just gonna show you guys how sorry, I didn't do my intro. What's up, guys? It's your girl Tatiana. What's up? Make sure my glasses straight, because last video my glasses was crooked and we don't need that again. Period. Alright, so what's up, Glow Queens? This is your girl Tatiana, and I'm back with another video. And today what we're gonna do is show how my lip gloss wholesale works, and I'm gonna show you guys the price list and what the price list for the squeeze tubes and the price list for the wand tubes. And so these are the squeeze tubes. Really, they're like 10 milliliter. Show you. 10 milliliter, really cute, really really cute, really really good sizing. This is what it looks like with the gloss in it already. Show you another color, juicy glow, really pretty. But yeah, that's the wand tubes, and these are the squeeze tubes. These are the squeeze tubes, and these are the wand tubes. Really pretty. They got a silver top on them. Really pretty, guys. I'm in love with these. Never had these before, but I'm definitely gonna keep buying these because these are really pretty. 10 milliliter. Just came in the mail today. So go check out my inventory video. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, really pretty, and they're gonna have the price list up here for you guys. And my lip glosses are really good, you know, really soft on the lips, really it's vegan and cruelty free. No none of it is treated on animals, anything like that. And I have my lip gloss Dior on right now, and it is popping, and it's not even a lot on. Like, as you can see, the sun blinded me, but it'll be alright. But I have Dior on right now, and yeah, and they come in 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and that is tubes wise. And give me about 5 days to get the order ready for you guys, because if I have to order something, then I will. I order off Amazon and get here the next day, and then you go ahead and do it, and I'll go ahead and ship your order. And really, it really don't take 5 days, but I'll go ahead and do it. If I have the tubes, I already will do your order. If not, then I'll order it and then it comes the next day from Amazon, because I have that next day shipping. But guys, and I know TKB Trading has like a little drought of lip gloss base, and I also make my own lip gloss base, and these are 8-ounce flasks, and these are going to be filled with my lip gloss base that I offer. And I also do my own. Really pretty, really luscious, as you can see. Not hard at all. Really cute, really good on the lips as well, and it has the lip protectant in it, so it won't do any harm to your lips. And so the lip gloss base is going to be in these, and it's going to be on our website today or tomorrow, guys. But yeah, and yeah, guys, that's it. And then I also said my my lip gloss my lip gloss will be either on this side or this side. My lip gloss price list, wholesale price list. And yeah, guys, go ahead and check that out if you want to start your own lip gloss business. go ahead and get through me because I got bomb lip glosses, and I'll show you my lip glosses in this video, you know. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Hold on, I'm gonna do a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Nail thumb. I'm so tired, y'all. My bad. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching.
Run into the bag, run into the bag, run into the I can never slay. And I get the cash, yeah, I get